Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to mix your animations that you have created in Mixamo using Autodesk Maya. First log into your Mixamo account and go to the characters tab and select any characters of your choice. For instance, I use this character. After selecting the character, go to this animations panel and I select this particular animation clip. Now download it. Now this animation has been saved in my PC. Now I am going to select another animation clip. I search for some idle animations. Yeah, I use this breathing idle. And download this clip. Now I have downloaded both the animations. Now I am going to Maya. Go to file and import your downloaded FBX. Now I am selecting this silly dancing FBX. Now I brought the animation inside Maya. What I'm going to do is I'm going to export this particular animation as an animation clip using Tracks Editor. So before that I have to select all the bones here in the outliner. Just use your shift key and click on this plus button. It will open up all the bones, all the child nodes. Select all the nodes and go to Tracks Editor. Go to Animation Editors and then Tracks Editor. Once the Tracks Editor opens, go to Create and click on this animation clip, and you can name it name the animation clip here. So this is a dancing clip, so I name it as dance. So once the clip has been created, select the clip and go to file and export this animation clip and save this animation clip as a Maya ASCII format. Dance. Now I exported this animation clip and now I am opening a new fresh Maya scene and import the second FBX that we had downloaded from Mixamo, that is breathing idle. Once the character is imported, follow the same process. Just click on this plus button using your shift key and select all the bones. go to tracks editor and create a animation clip. Now this is a idle animation clip. Yes. Now while all these bones are in selected state, go to file and import animation clip to characters inside the tracks editor. Now select the dance animation clip that we had exported now. So now we have two separate animation clips. One is idle and one is dance. Just drag and drop this dance animation clip, drag down a little bit so that you will have two different layers. Okay, so now select both the animation clips and go to create and click on the blend. So this blend will give a nice transition from one animation clip to another animation clip. So now we play this animation. Yes, and if you want to bring that character to idle state after this dance animation, just select this idle animation clip and duplicate it using Ctrl D. Okay, now this idle animation clip has been duplicated. Now select this dance clip and this duplicated idle animation clip and create another blend. So this will give a nice transition in the end when the animation is back to idle. So now the idle animation clip is playing. Yes, that's it guys. Thank you for watching.